I'm back in the project we worked on thus far. We got some basic styling in there, for example these cards where we output the persons and this button. But let's start with that button for example. We already have one issue. When we hover over it, it doesn't change its style. The problem is that this button, which is part of our app component, we can see it up here in our template, there, that this button simply is styled with inline styles. We assign them here and we set them up earlier in the render method here. We use JavaScript to create an object and assign that to the style property, and JSX and React takes care about setting this on the actual HTML element. The issue is we can't use pseudo selectors here. The advantage of course is the styling is only applied to this button and to no other button in the application if we had another button. And I already mentioned the alternative would be to style it in the CSS file, and there we can use normal CSS including pseudo selectors like hover, but this would then globally affect all buttons in our application even if they were placed in other components. This is the problem set I want to deal with in this module. But besides that, I also want to have a look at something else. What if we actually wanted to change styling dynamically? Let's start with that. Let's say toggle persons. This button should have a green background color if we are about to show persons with a click, and a red background color if we are about to remove the person list. Let's see how we can dynamically change styles in the next lecture.